when the Lord come to speak from the mouth of men, there is no Jupiter that will stop him. Today, I am coming from this angle to Cameroonian government and also the Kenyan government. Biya of Cameroon, when Nebuchadnezzar made himself the king of the supreme king of all kings, God chased him with anger into the bush. He becomes a bush animal. Biya, do not allow what happened to Nebuchadnezzar to happen to you. Because you have ascended the throne for 40-something years and you think nothing can happen to you. Biya, you think nothing will happen to you. I have sent the words of God to you severally, but you think that your dictatorship can set you free. I am telling you from the word of God. He has come again to tell me to tell you. He has come to tell me to tell you. Leave Ambazonians alone. Leave them alone. The Lord is saying tonight for you to make peace in Cameroon. If Ambazonians don't want to stay with you, leave them to go. Shame, shame, shame is coming upon you. Shame is coming upon you. Shame is coming upon you. This is the second time I am raising up my hands to speak the words of God that has entered into my mouth. You have killed a lot of them for Biya. Make peace in Cameroon. Stop this genocide. This is genocide. It is genocide. You have killed many. The children of the poor, whom you have killed in Ambazonia, their cries have reached the Lord of heavens. You send your army, your B army, to go and kill people in Ambazonia because they want to go. You call them separatists. You want to kill them. Yes, you have killed them in numbers. It's not only that, Biya. You have killed the B army in numbers. How can a kingdom stand to divide itself? Any kingdom that will stand against itself will divide and it will fall. You stood to divide your kingdom by sending the army of Cameroon, to go and die in Ambazonia. Number of them have died. And their children, you are not taking care of them. You bear me witness. Ambazonians bear me witness. And the people of Cameroon bear me witness. The army men that the Biya have sent to go and die in the shameful war of Ambazonia, their children are still suffering. Their wives are still suffering. Many of them have engaged themselves into prostitution in order to get food to eat. Biya of Cameroon, I am speaking with anger as a man. Leave these people alone. You are not only killing the people of Ambazonia, you are killing the B of Cameroon, whom you call legitimate army. You are killing them. You are killing the police of Cameroon. How can you stand to be killing people anyhow? You kill them, not that you use your rifle to kill them. You send them to their early grave, where they go and meet their grave. It is true. You did not kill them by omission. You killed them deliberately, because people you are sending to go and kill, they are also ready for you, planting landmines that are destroying these people. And so sheepishly the army of Cameroon is, the police of Cameroon is, they follow you, they die sheepishly because they believe in the last order. Do you know how many army of Cameroon that have died since 6 years now this war started? In 2003, in 2023, that is last year, the maximum of 6,000 people have died in this war. Check from that time. Calculate it, 6,000. Some are more than 6,000. Since 6 years, only 1 year, the maximum of 6,000 have died. Both the army of the Cameroon and the Ambazonia Liberation Force have died. All of them are people of Cameroon. 68.5, that is 68,500 people has been displaced from their various homes. In the southwest and the southwest and the northwest region, they are in chaos. They have run away. Many of them have become IDPs in the camp of Nigeria. There is not their home, they are neighbors. This is your cause. You are not fighting for the people. You are fighting for your stomach. You are fighting for your stomach with your wickedness. It is wickedness to send the army to die, to send the army to kill people. That is wickedness in the highest order. Bible says in Exodus chapter 20, verse 1, it said, "Thou shalt not kill. Thou shalt not kill." You have no right to terminate the life you did not give. But you have killed in thousands. The slain soldiers, their children are still suffering. Their wives are still suffering. And you are still pushing them to Ambazonia to die. It is only a stupid army that will follow your ways. What do they do? Because they are fighting for liberation. There is a stipulated law, international law, that is still guiding you. The France brought to you, the England brought to you, the British brought to you, and you accumulated it like international gazetted law that stipulates that every country or every community that is fighting for self-determination has the right to fight for self-determination, to go, to pass away from any country and be in their own country. But you said that the peace and togetherness of Ambazonia is paramount. How can you continue to be killing your people? If anybody talk, you start looking at him. And you see some people who come here to blackmail me, to come and talk rubbish. If your person have not died, you will not understand what I am saying. Ambazonians, stop killing your brothers. Stop killing your brothers. The Cameroonian army, stop going to kill your brothers in Ambazonia. Stop. The P, stop killing people. The word of the Lord will stand right. Even if, let me tell you, even if you cannot save them, God is a beast, will save them. 2 Chronicles chapter 20 verse 9. 2 Chronicles chapter 20 verse 9. It says, if calamity comes upon us, whether the sword of judgment or plague or famine, we will stand in your presence before the temple that bears your name and will cry unto you, and you will answer us. He said, you will hear us. God will hear the prayer of the Ambazonians. No matter how Biya send his bee army, his police, God will answer the people of Ambazonia. God will answer the army of Cameroon. There shall not be death anymore. Don't follow anything Biya told you. Biya has no good intention for Cameroon. He is in his pocket. He is fighting for his family and his pocket and sending you to go and die in landmines. God bless anyone who wants peace. I am your brother, Ambassador Single Edwin, your prophet in disguise. I cannot stop crying until things are done right. Ambazonia is my home. Cameroon is my home because they are my brothers. I cannot stop talking about Ambazonia peace. I need peace in Ambazonia. God bless all of you.